everyone, festive greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking a look at what is inside the December beauty box from Look Fantastic. I can't quite believe we are already in December. It just feels like this year has gone by in a blink of an eye. So this is the box for December and this box has a total value of £130. The packaging is also really lovely as well. It's also completely recyclable and it's this black box with this lovely gold bauble Christmassy design. Really nice, and I'm going to be opening it up and seeing what we get inside. If you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome to you all. My name is Emily, and don't forget, if you would like to support me, you can do so by simply clicking that subscribe button and also by clicking that notification bell down below to receive updates whenever I post a new video. Also, as ever, if you are interested in subscribing to the Look Fantastic Beauty Box service, I do have a discount code that you can use. So if you would like to get 10% off your first box, just use the code EmilyDBB at checkout when subscribing for either 3, 6 or 12 months. Okay, so we open the box and it says Merry Christmas with love from the Beauty Box team. And then as ever, we also have a little booklet inside as well, which has a little information about all the different brands featured, and it's got some little festive ideas. And then on the back we've also got a little preview of what we're getting in the January box, and it is the SVR Hydrating Rich Intense Moisturising Cream in a 40ml size, and it's worth £15 apparently. So this is what the box looks like inside. It's very festive, it's got all this gold shavings in there. So first of all, we have the Brushworks Double-Ended Brush. So here we have the brush, it's white and it has this lovely rose gold detailing. And then on the one side you have this kind of flat brush that you would use to pack on like eyeshadow and that kind of thing. And then the other side you have a thin slanted edge, which you could use for eyeliner, or you could use to do your brows, or even if you were putting a bit of colour on the outer V. It's quite versatile actually. It has a very nice feeling to it. The bristles feel very smooth and it also just looks very aesthetically pleasing. I have to say, I do love me a new makeup brush, especially eyeshadow makeup brushes, because I always use so many different colours and my brushes always get dirty really quickly, and if I haven't had a chance to clean them, then I always like having a clean one to use. Next up we have a makeup item now. I don't think you can seriously go wrong with having makeup items in a December beauty box. I think it's a no-brainer really, and this is from Jecca Blac and it's the Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for the face, and this is in the shade Champagne, and it also says that it's vegan friendly and cruelty free. Never tried this brand again. So many brands I have never tried in these boxes, but that's what I like about this box. It's always got surprises in there. So gonna try it, of course I have to, because it says it's a face primer that's a highlighting face primer, so it sounds very much up my alley. Ooh, look at that, that is gorgeous. Oh, that is so nice. Can you see that? It's very pretty. It's got a lovely shimmer to it. It's got a very kind of gold undertone, and I've got it on my hands now as well. But this would look really nice on the cheekbones. I would say this is kind of the same sort of thing as like the Becca shimmering skin perfectors. So if you like something to just dab on underneath your foundation, or to even mix in with your foundation, it would look really nice. That looks so nice. It has a lovely feel to it. It's got a really smoothing feel on the skin, and I think this will look gorgeous with some gold eyeshadow. I think this will be lovely for the festive period. So I am so excited to try that. That's going to be really nice. It looks bomb. I don't know if you can see, but I've now got all this gold shimmer on my fingers where I put a bit too much on. I was a bit too over enthusiastic, but never mind, it's Christmas. You can't go wrong with glitter, right? That's what I keep telling myself. Next up we have something from Percy and Reed now, and this is the Season Hold Hairspray, and this is a little 50ml size to use, so perfect for travelling. I love getting travel size hairsprays because I always need them when I'm on the go, but of course I'm not going to take a massive great big bottle of hairspray when I'm out and about, am I? So I love getting things like this in my boxes. In Christmas time we're all going to be doing our hair. Hopefully there'll be some family get-togethers or some kind of events we're going to over December now that lockdown has ended, I'm hoping. So this will probably come in useful for something along this month. I have tried Percy and Reed hairsprays before and hairstyling products and mousses and things, and they always work really well, and they do keep the curl or the style in very well, so they are a really good product. Another makeup product now, and this one is from theBalm, and this is one of their Petal to the Metal eyeshadows, and I think these are all supposed to be metallic eyeshadows. I mean, kind of gives it away in the name, doesn't it? Petal to the metal. And this one is in the shade Shift into Overdrive. Now with this product in particular, there are a variety of shades that Look Fantastic have put in the boxes, so it is pretty much like potluck what shade you could end up with, because there's different ones in different boxes. But let's see what my one looks like. And also, let's just take a moment to appreciate the packaging. It's really cute. It's very vintage-esque and it's got a pink car on it. I love the balm for the packaging, actually. It's one of those brands that has really cute packaging. Everything's very kitsch and very kind of like vintagey, retro themed. And it's one of those brands where I always find myself getting sucked into the packaging before anything else. Anyone else? Or is it just me? Probably just me. Oh, it's lighter than I thought it was going to be. It looks like it's going to be darker here, and it also feels like it's a cream base as well. It's very light. It's like a beigey, slightly pinky tone shade. But that is really nice. That would make a really good shade to put on as a base if you're going to be using like darker shades. It would make a very good base for your eyeshadows, and because it's cream, I think it would make products like eyeshadows, particularly any kind of powder eyeshadows, stick to it very well. I've never tried any of their eyeshadows, so I'll give this a go and see how I get on with it, but looks really, really good, and I love the fact that they've put an eyeshadow in this month's box. Next up, we have something from AVANT, and this is their Pro Radiance Brightening Final Touch Eye Cream, and this alone is worth £98, which I was like, what? Whoa! And I was also a bit like, you better be good. Like, if I'm paying £98 for an eye cream, you best believe I never want to see a single puffy bag or wrinkle or anything ever again. Although not that I have wrinkles yet, but I do get puffiness, so. But yeah, if I'm spending that much on an eye cream, you best believe I want some serious results. But I do really like this brand, actually. I've tried one of their face masks and it's really, really good. So this looks really promising, and I think it has hyaluronic acid in there as well, and it's also got collagen, I believe. And I've never really found the eye cream that I'm absolutely in love with and that I always go back to. I always change my eye creams. I've never found one that I'm totally committed to, so I still live in hope. I still live in hope, guys. And I'm going to give this a quick try on my hand, even though I have got makeup on it and God knows what else from where I was swatching things, but never mind. I will just rub eye cream into the pores of my hands, which has already got glitter makeup. Never mind, it's fine, it's fine. I'll wash it off later. It definitely has that kind of collagen feel to it. I know that sounds probably a bit weird, but you can always tell if something has collagen because it's got that kind of like gel, like jelly-like consistency. Like, it has that kind of sticky texture to it. I would say if you're going to use this in the morning, you would need to give this a while to sit because it does feel a bit sticky. So you would need to give this a while to absorb into the skin. However, at night, this would be really good as an eye cream. And then finally for December's box, we have the Medic 8 Hydra B5 Serum. Now this is one of the products that you could end up with something different in. So you could either get this in your box or you could get the Ren Atlantic Kelp Body Lotion. So this is supposed to be an anti-aging serum from what I've read about it. I actually have some information on it on their website, and I'm going to actually quickly read it out, or have my phone read it out to me so I can find out what's in it.
Infuse your skin with intense hydration and long-lasting moisture with Hydra 8 B5, Medic 8's best-selling moisturizing serum. Key benefits: A deeply hydrating, crystal clear serum that sinks in quickly to flood the skin with moisture. Results: softens fine lines and wrinkles to leave skin supple, restored and nourished. Key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, multiweight hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5.
So this is an anti-aging solution, and apparently it's one of their best sellers, and this contains hyaluronic acid and also something called multi-weight hyaluronic acid, which I've never heard of before. I don't really know what the difference is between that and just your regular bog standard hyaluronic acid, but nevertheless, anything hyaluronic acid based is great with me because I love it. And then also vitamin B5 as well. So that has notably quite a sticky-ish texture to it. Like, it has a little bit of a tacky residue to it. It kind of feels similar to the consistency and the texture of the ordinary hyaluronic acid serum, which I actually use. That is the final thing that you get in the December box, and that is everything. Okay guys, so that is everything that you get in the Look Fantastic December box. I really hope you found it interesting seeing what you get in this month's box. I definitely like the fact that there's quite a few makeup items in there and there's some really nice skincare things. So I think they've kind of themed it very well for the month of December, so I'm very happy about that. And also don't forget, if you would like to get this box and you would like to subscribe to the service, don't forget that you can use my discount codes if you would like to get some money off your first box. Again, I'll leave links and information down in the description box below. And thank you very, very much for watching today. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everybody!